What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to add or remove payment methods in BiteSight. Now in order to show you this, we'll try to make an order. So right here we have this delicious looking pizza. You can tap on add to cart, then tap on add order. Then now you have it right there. Then we're going to tap on view cart, still at the bottom area of your screen. And you can see the crab slice, one piece, and then you can say go to checkout. You can also see the subtotal, $8.95. Tap on go to checkout. And of course here you can see your delivery details, scroll down, and you're going to see that you have the subtotal, the courier fee, and the taxes, which brings everything to $11.73. Tap on place order. And here you have your location, tap on proceed anyway. And here you can see your payment information. You can add your card information, your billing address, and of course, if you'd like to add this payment method, you can tap on the checkbox right here, save payment details to BiteSight Corporation for future purchases. If you don't want to save this payment method, you can uncheck the box, and this will be fine for a one-time purchase. Of course, if you've already added your payment details and you'd like to remove it, when you're going for your checkout once again for another purchase and you want to change the card or remove the card, the option to remove the card will be right there. We don't have that option right now because we don't have a card added to BiteSight at the moment. However, once you have your card added by saving the payment details to BiteSight, you will have the option in future purchases to remove the payment method if you want to. Of course, if you're having any challenges, you can simply go back to your home dashboard and then at the bottom right, you can see profile, tap on it. And once you tap on your profile, you will see the help option right there. If you're having problems removing the payment methods as suggested in this video, you can use the help option to contact customer service in order to remove it completely. So these are the steps to follow to add or remove payment methods in BiteSight.